In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to number pages in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to add page numbers to a PDF for organization, printing, or sharing, Adobe Acrobat makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to review so your page numbering appears the way you want. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open on your screen. It's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you have the correct file before making changes, especially if you're working with multiple PDFs. Once your document is open, you're ready to move into the editing tools. Next, click on Edit. This will open the editing options available for your PDF. In Adobe Acrobat, many useful document tools are grouped inside this section, so this is the starting point for making changes like adding page numbers. After the edit panel opens, look to the left-hand column, scroll down toward the bottom of that panel, and click on Number Pages. This is the tool that lets you automatically apply numbering to your document without having to manually add anything page by page, which saves a lot of time and helps keep everything consistent. Once the number pages option opens, take a moment to review the settings carefully. This part is important because it determines exactly how the numbering will be applied. First, choose the page range. You can number the entire document, or you can set a custom range, such as starting from page 1 and ending at a specific page. This is useful if, for example, you only want numbering on the main content and not on a cover page or appendix. You'll also need to decide what number the sequence should start with. In many cases, starting at 1 makes the most sense, but Adobe Acrobat gives you the flexibility to begin at another number if your document structure requires it. That can be especially helpful when working with sections of a larger file or documents that continue numbering from a previous PDF. Before saving, it's worth giving these settings one final check so you don't have to go back and adjust them afterward. A quick review now can save time later. When everything looks right, click Save. Adobe Acrobat will apply the page numbers based on the settings you selected, and your PDF will be updated, and that's it. You've successfully numbered pages in Adobe Acrobat. Once you've done it a couple of times, this becomes a very quick task and can really improve the readability and professionalism of your PDF documents.